All right, so we had to create a monthly budget for this week's assignment on Sheets in Google, which I started it a little bit just to where I wouldn't run out of time since the screencast only records for every 15 minutes. I know that you said if we don't have a monthly income to start with use 1500, but I want to try to make this as accurate as possible for my household. Also, it kind of gives me an insight on what we spend and what we save. So our income is based off of my husband's paychecks. His first paycheck last month for February was, I'm going to put the total right here. If I put monthly budget, paycheck, first paycheck, second paycheck, and then it's going to be a total right here. I'm going to make the little function, and then all the bills will go right here, and I'm going to make a little function to total the expenses right here. So here we go. First paycheck. Second paycheck. And this one right here, I'm going to go to, where is it at? Insert function. And I'm going to do a sum of this one, of these two sales. That is the total. I'm actually also going to where is it at? Format these three cells into accounting. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna format these into accounting as well. And I'm going to format, because once I'm done with putting all of the expenses and I get the total expenses, I'm going to make a formula right here to show what we actually save, if we do save. And I'm going to put an accounting one right here. Okay, so I did our expenses. Almost all of the 8 that you required us to do, or asked of us, I have on there, except for clothing, because honestly, we don't really buy clothes that much on a monthly basis. I would say we probably do a shopping spree twice a year, and it's normally springtime and then Christmas, but not to say that we actually monthly spend money monthly on clothes. So our house note. We have a camper note. Our cell phone bill. Our Slimco, which is electricity, which is the utilities. That's what it was last month. Our gas bill, natural gas. That's what it was last month. Our water bill. That's what it was last month. We only have one car note because my husband's truck is paid off. My gas for my car roughly is about $180 a month. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't go much places. I fill up probably 3 times a month, and it roughly costs me about $60. My husband's truck runs on diesel. He fills it up, and he has a tank in the back that he also carries around. He roughly spends about $400 a month on diesel. Our household / groceries, we spend roughly about 500 a month on groceries. And entertainment, we try to keep it at a minimum. 2 to 250 is the most that we spend on entertainment monthly, doing something as far as for going to eat out, take the kids, do something. So for right here, I'm going to total all my expenses up. I'm going to insert a function, another sum function, and it's going to be here through here. And that is the total of our monthly expenses. And then right here, I am going to put a function to let's see. No, it's not sum, but let me see if I can math. Let's see. But I know there's a way. Hang on. Whoop. Delete that. Right here. Insert function. Let's see if there's. Okay. Let's just see what my sum. Oh, hang on. It's because I put these two together. Unmerge. Okay. The sum of. I know there's a way to make it negative. Negative this. Negative that. Plus that. If I'm not mistaken, that should be correct. I am just double checking on my calculator at the moment. Yep, so roughly he makes about 7,200 a month, give or take, just depending. And roughly we spend about $4,000 a month on expenses. And our monthly savings, what we try to save is all what we have left. Sometimes our credit card bill is a little more. It just depends on what we exactly use our credit card bill for. Honestly, we use our credit card bill for a lot of our expenses because we can get cash back. So like our cell phone bill, any household groceries, our entertainment, our gas and our diesel all go on our cell phone bill. So that's still getting paid with the paycheck. So we roughly save about $3,000 a month as well. This would be our monthly budget. Pretty accurate. It's pretty interesting now that I am sitting down and looking at it. All right. I'm actually going to see if I can merge these two together. There we go. All right. Now we got it. Okay, this is my monthly budget.